In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a subdivided circle in Fusion 360 using a method that is incredibly fast and completely parametric. Whether you are designing a gear, a clock face, a fan blade, or any mechanical component that requires equal radial divisions, mastering the circular pattern tool within the sketch environment is an absolute necessity. This technique allows you to divide a circle into as many segments as you need without having to manually calculate angles or draw every single line by hand. If you find this tutorial helpful for your CAD workflow, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more professional Fusion 360 tips and tricks. Let us dive right into the software. To get started, we need to establish our work area, so go ahead and click on Create Sketch in the top left corner of the toolbar. You will be prompted to choose a plane. For this example, I will select the XY ground plane, but you can choose whichever surface fits your specific project needs. Once you are in the sketch environment, the first thing we need is our base geometry. Select the center diameter circle tool from the toolbar, or simply press the C key on your keyboard as a shortcut. Click once on the origin point to set the center, drag your mouse out to define the size, and click again to set the diameter. Now that we have our circle, we need to create the first boundary for our subdivision. Select the line tool by clicking it in the toolbar or pressing L on your keyboard. Click exactly on the center point of our circle and draw a straight line directly to the outer edge or circumference. Ensure that the line snaps to the edge so that the geometry is fully connected. It is very important that you stay inside the sketch for this next part, so do not click the Finish Sketch button yet. We want to apply the pattern while the sketch is still active. To create the subdivisions, navigate to the top toolbar, open the Sketch drop-down menu, and select Circular Pattern. A dialog box will appear on the right side of your screen. First, you need to select your objects, so click on the single radial line we just drew. Next, click the Select button next to center point in the box and click the center point of your circle. You will immediately see a few preview lines appear. In the quantity field, enter the total number of segments you want your circle to have. For example, if you want 12 equal slices, type in 12. Fusion 360 will automatically calculate the equal spacing for you across the full 360 degrees. Once you are happy with the preview, click OK. You now have a perfectly subdivided circle with equal segments. This is a powerful way to prepare your geometry for extrusions or further detailing. If this video helped you understand Fusion 360 better, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.